Oh, again, so sorry, my browser crashes, but let's continue the work. Remember that we were working on the CrazyFlie simulation, and we were working on a local workspace. Well, let's continue. Uh, Remember that. Okay, let's see that my Asimovo client is not running correctly. So I have to start this script in order to do the authentication. Now I need to wait for a moment. Well, we need to open the documentation, right? Yes, it is. Right. Now, well, the Asimovo local is online. Now we need, I will press Shift Reload and wait until my workspace appears. Try again. Sometimes this happens, but if we know that this is running correctly, well, we need to reload the platform. Okay, let's open the workspace. Okay, but since that issue occurs with my browser, let's do another thing in order to make it different. Well, it's almost the same, but let's use the terminals of the platform. It is the same. I think in this way we are going to visualize things better because, well, I had my terminals in this way and it doesn't help a lot, I think. So, well, first let's configure the GPU and then install the things. And let's wait for a moment. Well, let's see the next command. Well, we now we are going to compile. We can maximize this. Okay, and then compile. Let's minimize and copy the next command in order to launch our Word. Okay, here we have a maze. You can see it is running well, running smooth because I am using the GPU. If I don't set the environment variables for the GPU, well, we will we are going to use our CPU, but it is not ideal. So, well, let's spawn the robot. So we need to export an environment variable for GCSync resources path, and then source our installed folder and spawn the robot. Okay, here you can see our CrazyFlie. Now we need to, well, we are going to do a simple mapping. So let's run the mapper program. You see that here a map is being generated. The CrazyFlie drone uses um, a special laser that is basically, I think it is tough, and for that reason there is just one measurement. Well, we have this, and we need something else because after starting the simple mapping we need to move the robot. So let's do that. Okay, I will move this to here. It is okay, I think. And yeah, I think we can put that on this space for a moment. Okay, with pressing T we can go up. Yes, you see the drone is flying. Well, we are able to also to see the transformation. Let's rotate the robot. You can see it starts mapping the maze. Now let's see here, and let's move the robot forward. Look, okay. I think from now I can use this. Let's rotate to the left and move the robot. I am. I don't want to crash, so I think I need to rotate a bit more. Okay, and let's move forward, and then we can perform a rotation. And see, we are mapping this world. Well, perform rotations in order to capture more details. And well, this is the script. Now we can press Ctrl C from this. The robot uh, did the takeoff. So we can also run the following path. This is the script written by BitCraze, the owners of this CrazyFlie Drone. Well, let's see. Okay, the robot is moving. Let's see the simulate. Let's see that in the simulation. It is also mapping. The robot automatically follows the walls. You can see, and it helps mm, mapping the wall. Look, the robot will rotate, and then it will the drone is going to keep moving. It is rotating a bit more. It moves. Okay, so this is how you can work with this robot. Now I will stop the scripts. This is the wall following. This is the spawn. I will press Ctrl C, and finally I will finish the simulation. Now you can see that there is no more. Well, now, well, that's all for this video. You can stop the workspace and check that, yes, it is definitely close. And that's all for this video. I hope you find very really interesting this project of BitCraze. This is a CrazyFlie drone. See you in another video.